and philosopher and king begins with the teacher and the wisdom they bring. Even this pandemic cannot stop us from celebrating this auspicious day. So here we are celebrating Teachers' Day virtually. I really hope that you all will enjoy this program. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vidhi, for such a wonderful welcoming speech. Now, I would like to call HOD Sonamne sir to share his views with us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Respected Principal, Dr. N.S. Patil sir, our Vice Principal Desle sir, both of them uh, supposed to join the meeting program, but due to some urgent work, they are not here. Uh, all the respected faculties of IT department and my dear student friends. Teachers' Day. Every year in India, we celebrate the Teachers' Day on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers' Day gets celebrated in every part of the world. But the date in India, it is the 5th September due to the birth anniversary of this great man, the ex-president of India. Dear student friends, it's my really a great pleasure today as we all are going through a unique pandemic situation, COVID-19. Student friends are not in the campus. Only teachers are there in the campus. But still, a teacher, always teacher, they are doing their job very prominently, very honestly and sincerely. So today is the day to pay the tribute, respect to the teacher community. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he said, teacher are the backbone of a country, of any country. He is the pillar upon which all aspirations are converted into the realities. Engineers, doctors, lawyers, these all are the king professions. But teacher is a profession which make all those. Dear student friends, I really would like to thanks to you all for organizing such a great program in pandemic situation also. Dear all, महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले असं म्हणतात, विद्येविन मती गेली, मतीविन नीती गेली, नीतीविन गती गेली, गतीविना वित्त गेले, वित्ताविना शूद्र खचले, आणि इतके सर्व अनर्थ एका अविद्येने केले. Dear student friends, a teacher is an element which convert a vidya into the vidya, which gives a knowledge, which pass their intellect to convert illiterate into the literate one. निराकार गुरु, गुरु रे निर्गुण, गुरु सृष्टी कर, गुरु विश्वंभर. गुरुचरित्रात सांगितलंय, गुरुविन नोहे साधू मुनी जन, गुरुविन साहू कैसे जीवन, गुरुविन नाही नर नारायण. ही एवढी सर्व गुरुचं महत्व संत ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज म्हणतात, गुरुविन अनुभव कैसा कळे, तपेविन दैवत दिदल्याविन प्राप्त. इतकी महानता त्या गुरुची वेदांतामध्ये सांगितलेली आहे. अशा या गुरुला फुल न फुलाची पाकळी म्हणून एक ट्रायब्यूट पे करण्याचा आजचा हा दिवस. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आपण सर्वांनी खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने व्हर्च्युअली का होईना यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग इट फॉर ऑल युअर रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स. सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन टू वन एंड ऑल. एक सर्वश्रेष्ठ शिक्षक अपने छात्र को जागरूक करता है और सर्वश्रेष्ठ छात्र अपने शिक्षक को कभी सोने नहीं देता. So thank you one and all for keeping us alive, and please continue the program. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your guidance and such lovely words. Dear teachers, now here's a little surprise from our students for you, so let's see.
Happy Teachers Day to all the staff. I really look forward to see all of you soon.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Respected teachers, on behalf of all my classmates, I would like to thank you for all your effort you have put into to shape us into good students. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all our teachers and staff, and hope we will meet soon. Until that, stay home, stay safe.
जिसे देता है हर व्यक्ति सम्मान, जो करता है वीरों का निर्माण, जो बनाता है इंसान को इंसान, ऐसे गुरु को हम करते हैं प्रणाम. ऐसे गुरु को हम करते हैं प्रणाम. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Very happy Teachers Day, all the staff members, and thank you so much for your valuable guidance and support. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. For the world, you may be just a teacher, but for your students, you are a hero. Thank you so much for being a wonderful teacher.
Teachers affect eternity, and no one can tell where their influence stops. I wish all the wonderful teachers a very happy Teachers Day.
Wishing all our wonderful teachers a very happy Teachers Day. We are really very grateful for all the support and guidance you have given to us. Please stay safe and happy always.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you so much for always guiding us and supporting us. Whatever we are today is just because of you. Thank you.
A very happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Each one of you definitely has an impact on me, which is going to help me grow into a better person. On this special day of yours, wishing for the well-being and happiness of each one of you. Thank you so much.
We are all very grateful for the contributions you have made in our lives. Wishing all the lovely staff members a very happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers.
Happy Teachers Day.
To dear teachers, wish you a happy Teachers Day to all. Thanks for inspiring hope in us and igniting our imagination. We'll always be thankful to you all.
I'm sure that all of you enjoyed this little effort done by our students. Now, let's call Preeti to hear what she has to say about Teachers Day. Over to you, Preeti.
Good afternoon to one and all. Today is an auspicious occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of the teachers who mold the students into the future leaders. This day is known as the Teachers' Day, which is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the second president of independent India, who himself was a teacher, philosopher, and educationist. Teachers are the pillars of our country. They guide and shape the destiny of the students. Teachers are the reason behind the successful career of a student. In global health emergency COVID-19, teachers continue to educate, encourage, and inspire us. They are finding new ways to connect with students, and we are amazed by the creativity and persistence in spite of many challenges they are facing. Teachers have done above and beyond to make us feel comfortable even during this hard time. Though this pandemic has been a real wrench in the works of all our lives, but our teachers are looking past that to keep teaching us to the best of their abilities. Teachers are not necessarily present only in schools or colleges. Everyone around us teaches something or the other. The greatest of all teachers is life, that teaches us the art of survival. Parents are our primemost teachers. Our friends, nature, animals, our mistakes, everything is a teacher in some form or the other. Today is the day to honor all of them. I take privilege in wishing all our teachers, mentors in the college and across the country a very happy Teachers' Day. We are fortunate to have been blessed with such wonderful teachers who are always up for grooming us into the finest individuals. Thank you to all the teachers out there for bringing their creativity, positivity, and hard work. We pray for your well being and success and shower immense respect today and always. Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti, for sharing this with us. In this pandemic, times everything has gone from physical to virtual. So, presenting you a unique dance performance by Nitika.
Thank you, Nitika. Now I would like to call Bhanudas to present his perspective about Teachers' Day. Over to you, Bhanudas.
नमस्कार मित्रांनो. एका साऊथ आफ्रिकन संस्थेमध्ये शिकत असलेल्या एका शिक्षकाने एक वाक्य म्हटले आहे. ते असे: डिस्ट्रॉइंग एनी नेशन यू डू नॉट रिक्वायर एनी मिसाइल और न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब, जस्ट लोअरिंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ एज्युकेशन. या वाक्यावरून आपल्याला शिक्षणाचे महत्त्व आपल्या समाजासाठी आणि देशासाठी किती आहे ते दिसून येते. आणि त्या शिक्षणाचे दाते म्हणजे शिक्षक. आज त्यांचा दिवस. या प्रसंगी मी भानुदास राणे 2 शब्दात माझे मनोगत व्यक्त करू इच्छितो. जगामध्ये 2 प्रकारचे व्यक्ती बघायला मिळतात. एक कृतज्ञ आणि दुसरे कृतज्ञ. बघायला गेले तर दोन्ही शब्दांच्या उच्चारणात फारसा एवढा फरक जाणवत नाही, पण दोन्ही शब्दात खूप मोठा अर्थ लपलेला आहे. कृतज्ञ म्हणजे केलेला उपकार जाणणारा आणि कृतज्ञ म्हणजे केलेला उपकार न जाणणारा किंवा विसरणारा. तर आपल्याला कृतज्ञ बनायचं आहे. ज्यांनी आपल्याला मार्गदर्शन केलेले आहे आणि जे आता करत आहे त्या सर्व शिक्षकांबद्दल आपण कृतज्ञता व्यक्त केलीच पाहिजे. समाज घडवण्यासाठी शिक्षकांचा सिंहाचा वाटा आहे. शिक्षकांचे महत्त्व सांगायला मी एक कवितेची साथ घेऊ इच्छितो. कवितेचे शीर्षक आहे तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो. एका स्वरूपाला करतो, त्याचा हिरा बनवतो, आपल्यामध्ये विश्वास जागवतो, आपल्या स्वची एक वेगळीच छवी बनवतो, तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो. जगायला शिकवतो, स्वतःची एक नवीन ओळख करून देतो. कुठेही वेड्यावाकड्या चुकीच्या वाटेवरती भटकतो तेव्हा बिनचूक वाट दाखवतो, तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो. आई वडिलांनंतर बोलतो, आपल्यातील कमतरता दाखवतो, जगाची ओळख करून देतो, आपले ठोस व्यक्तिमत्व निर्माण करतो, तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो. जिंकूनच यावं अशी आशा बाळगत नसतो, हरवूनही आपली कला जिवंत ठेवायला शिकवतो. नैराश्याच्या वाटेवरती जेव्हा आपण डगमगतो तेव्हा गंभीरपणे आपल्या पाठीशी उभा राहतो, तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो. शिक्षाही करतो, ओरडतोही, वरून थोडा कठोर भासतो, आतून नरम असतो, आई वडिलांसारखा हक्क गाजवतो, तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो. तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो. डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन पासून अब्दुल कलामांपर्यंत सर्वांचाच वर्णन करतो. मोठ्यांचा आदर करायला शिकवतो, मार्गशीर्षक नाही तर मार्गच आपला बनतो, तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो. त्यांच्यासाठी आपण कोण असतो? फक्त शिक्षण घेऊन पुरेसे असतो. जीवाचे रान करतो, आपल्याला घडवतो, जगासमोर अभिमानाने उभा करतो, तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो, तो फक्त शिक्षकच असतो. शेवटी एकच वाक्य बोलतो की जे इंजिनिअरिंगला मला टीचिंग आणि नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ कडून कळत न कळत मार्गदर्शनाचे धडे मिळत आहे, त्याबद्दल त्यांचे आभार व्यक्त करतो आणि त्यांना शिक्षक दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा देतो आणि थांबतो. धन्यवाद.
माता पिता तो जीवन देते हैं, लेकिन जीना तो शिक्षक ही सिखाता है. Thank you, Bhanudas. Your speech really brought these lines to life. Now let's move forward to the interesting and fun part of the program. So here are the rules of the game. There will be 2 rounds. In the first, you will be shown a picture and you have to guess the movie name. And in the second round, you will be given the Bollywood dialogues and you have to guess movie names. And one with the highest guess will be the winner. And now Sandesh will guide us in the game.
Thank you, Achal. I would like to welcome everyone. In this game, you have to answer your answer in the chat box so that we can record which teacher has given the answer correctly, and the priority will be decided later. So first picture is displayed. आता आपल्याला या चित्रामध्ये काय काय दिसू शकतं तर एक फाटलेला बनियान, एक धोती, एक टेलिफोन आणि एक चष्मा आहे. Yes, ma'am. Suranshi ma'am has given correct answer.
सॉरी सूर्यवंशी मॅडमच्या पहिले मी दिले आन्सर.
Yes, sir. Yes, it will be noted first. Yes, everyone is giving correct answer. So next picture is pagdi, wearing cloth, a bat, and okay. All staff members are giving correct answer. Congratulations to all the teachers. We shall move to third photo. Teachers, can you guess the movie? Yes, Gatne ma'am has correctly guessed it. Yes, ma'am, it is correct. Yes, sir. Yes. Can you guess this movie? It could be related to some song in particular movie. Oh, Tejaswini Pawar ma'am has correctly guessed it. Congratulations, ma'am. Congratulations to all the teachers. Yeah, this photo, yes, Snehal ma'am has correctly guessed it. Congratulations, ma'am. All are guessing it correctly. So round 2. in round 2 there will be dialogues given of movies and we have to guess it from which movie it is. We should proceed. बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है सेनोरिटा. Yes, ma'am. Suranshi ma'am has correctly guessed it. All the teachers are guessing it correctly. Congratulations to all. जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ, जो मैं नहीं बोलता वो मैं डेफिनेटली करता हूँ. All teachers are guessing. All teachers are guessing. Yes. Bhavna ma'am has correctly guessed it. Congratulations, ma'am. गोल्ड तो गोल्ड होता है, छोरा लावे या छोरी. Can you guess this dialogue from which movie it is? Pawar ma'am has correctly guessed it. All the staff members are also guessing it very correctly. Congratulations to all. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Life is a race. If you don't run fast, you will be like an broken anda. Yes, Gatne ma'am has correctly guessed it. All are guessing it correctly. Congratulations to all. We shall move. Yeah. कितने आदमी थे? It is very easy. Yes, Kakat ma'am has guessed it first very correctly. Congratulations to all. Yeah, it is correct. Correct. दोस्ती एक उसूल है, madam. No, sorry, no, thank you. A bit difficult, but I think teachers can guess it. Come on, teachers, you can. Yes, Sudhata ma'am has correctly guessed it. Congratulations, ma'am. It is correct. Everybody, every teacher is now getting it. Congratulations to all. This was the final round of this game. We shall proceed further.
Thank you so much, Sandesh, for guiding us. Do you all enjoy, ma'am and sir? Okay. Now let's call Vaibhav to express his views about Teachers' Day.
सर्वांना माझा मनपूर्वक नमस्कार. आज 5 सप्टेंबर शिक्षक दिन म्हणजे डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण यांचा जन्मदिवस. म्हणून आम्ही जे काही विद्यार्थी आहेत, आमचा प्रवास हा इथपर्यंत पोहोचला. ज्या शिक्षकांच्या कृपेने आज तो इथपर्यंत पोहोचला, त्या सर्व शिक्षकांचे मी आधी विनम्र अभिवादन करीतो आणि
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you will continue.
आधी माझ्या विषयाला सुरुवात करतो. तर विषयाची सुरुवात ही एका उदाहरणानं करतो आहेत. उदाहरण आहेत आपल्या भारतामध्ये 12व्या शतकामध्ये घडलेलं. तर 12व्या शतकामध्ये आपल्या भारत देशाचे सम्राट चंद्रगुप्त होते आणि त्यांचे आचार्य म्हणजे आचार्य चाणक्य. एकदा चंद्रगुप्त यांनी चाणक्याला एक प्रश्न विचारला की जगामध्ये सगळ्यात श्रेष्ठ गोष्ट कोणती. त्यावेळेस चाणक्यांनी दिलेलं उत्तर मला फार महत्वाचं वाटतं. चाणक्य त्या ठिकाणी म्हणाले की जगात सगळ्यात श्रेष्ठ गोष्ट म्हणजे शिक्षक आहेत. म्हणजेच की काय, अर्थातच ज्या व्यक्ती इतिहास घडवतात आणि ज्या व्यक्ती इतिहास बिघडवतात त्या सर्व व्यक्ती काही काळापूर्वी याच शिक्षकांच्या सहवासात राहिलेल्या असतात. म्हणजे यातून जगामधील म्हणजेच की शिक्षकाची एका विद्यार्थ्याच्या जीवनामध्ये असणारी भूमिका ही किती महत्वाची आहे हे आपण या उदाहरणातून समजून घेतो. म्हणजे जगामधील कोणतीही यशस्वी व्यक्ती ही आपल्या यशाचे श्रेय हे आई वडिलांनंतर एका शिक्षकालाच देत असते. म्हणजे बघा ना की ज्या सचिन तेंडुलकरला आपण मास्टर ब्लास्टर म्हणतो किंवा भारतरत्न म्हणतो, तो सचिन तेंडुलकर सुद्धा एका मुलाखतीत सांगतो की जर रमाकांत आचरेकर सर जर नसते तर कदाचित माझ्या हातामध्ये तुम्ही बॅट बघितली नसती. इतकंच नाही तर ज्या पी.व्ही. सिंधूने आपल्या भारताला गोल्ड मेडल मिळवून दिलं, ती पी.व्ही. सिंधू सुद्धा म्हणते जर गोपीचंद सर जर नसते तर कुठेतरी माझ्या हातामध्ये तुम्ही बॅडमिंटन सुद्धा बघितलं नसतं. मग बॅडमिंटन सुद्धा कधी बघितलं नसतं. पण सर समाजामध्ये काही व्यक्ती शिक्षकांना दोष देतात. म्हणजे बघा ना की अन्सार शेख नावाचा विद्यार्थी ज्यानं मुक्त विद्यापीठातून शिकून वयाच्या 21व्या वर्षी IAS एक्झाम क्रॅक केली आणि तो IAS झाला, तर दुसरीकडे राहुल कुलकर्णी नावाचा विद्यार्थी IITच्या माध्यमातून सॉफ्टवेअर निर्माण करतो आणि ऑरॅकल नावाची कंपनी ते सॉफ्टवेअर विकत घेत नाही म्हणून आत्महत्या करतो. मग या प्रकरणी शिक्षकांना दोष का दिले जावेत? पण त्याच्याच बॅचचा एक विद्यार्थी रोमन सनी ज्यानं अनअकॅडमी ऑनलाईन टीचिंग लर्निंग नावाचा प्लॅटफॉर्म सुरू केला आणि एकाच वर्षामध्ये 1000 कोटींपर्यंत टर्नओव्हर नेऊन ठेवला. म्हणजे शिक्षकांना आम्ही कधीही दोष दिला नाही पाहिजे. शिक्षक हे त्यांचं काम करतात आणि विद्यार्थ्यांनी हे स्वतःचं काम केलं पाहिजे. तर मला शिक्षक हे पावसासारखे वाटतात, कारण पाऊस हा सगळीकडे सारखा पडतो, परंतु विद्यार्थ्याची सुद्धा मानसिकता खूप मॅटर करते. म्हणजे बघा ना, जर विद्यार्थ्याची ओंजळीची दिशा ही जर अवकाशाच्या बाजूने जर असेल तर अवकाशातून येणारा थेंब हा विद्यार्थ्याच्या ओंजळीत पडत असतो. पण मात्र जर त्या विद्यार्थ्याच्या ओंजळीची दिशा ही जर जमिनीच्या दिशेने जर असेल तर त्याच्या हातावरती पाणी पडून ते सुद्धा जमिनीच्या दिशेनं परिक्रमण करताना आम्ही पाहायला लागतो. म्हणजे शिक्षक हे शिकवण्याचं काम करतात, मात्र विद्यार्थ्यानं स्वतःचं शिकण्याचं काम कधीही विसरून चालणार नाही. सन्माननीय सरांनी आता सांगितलं की अगदी महात्मा ज्योतिराव फुलेंपासून संत ज्ञानेश्वरांपर्यंत जे काही विचार त्यांनी आपल्याला सांगितले गुरुबद्दल, ते आम्हाला कुठेतरी नाकारून चालणार नाही, कारण हे विचारांचं महाकुंभ आमच्यासाठी आहे आणि हे आम्ही नक्कीच आम्ही यावरती लक्ष देऊ. आपल्याकडे शिक्षक दिन हा फक्त एकच दिवस साजरा केला जातो. म्हणजे आपण शिक्षकांचा आदर सन्मान हा फक्त एकच दिवस का करतो? मला वाटतं वर्षाचे 365 दिवस आम्ही शिक्षक दिन साजरा केला पाहिजे. मग तो आम्ही कसा करणार? तर मला वाटतं आम्ही शिक्षकांचा जर दररोज आदर करत असू ना, तर आम्ही हा शिक्षक दिन 365 दिवस साजरा करत असलेला असेल. फक्त या 4 वर्षाच्या इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये 40 सब्जेक्ट पास करून 400 असाइनमेंट लिहिल्या म्हणजे आम्ही इंजिनियर झालो का? तर मुळातच नाही. इंजिनियर म्हणजे तरी नेमकं काय? तर इंजिनियर होण्यासाठी शिक्षकांचे आशीर्वाद सुद्धा तितकेच महत्वाचे आहेत आणि ही गोष्ट आपण सर्वांनी समजून घेतली पाहिजे. आणि अशाच या सर्व शिक्षकांचे आशीर्वाद आम्हाला या 4 वर्षाच्या इंजिनिअरिंग पुरतेच नाही, आणि या विचारांची मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Vaibhav. Remember when we were young, our teachers used to recite poem for us? Today, Prajakta is amongst us, who is going to dedicate a poem to our teachers. So let's hear out to Prajakta.
सबसे पहले मेरे सभी गुरुजनों को मेरी तरफ से शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। हमारी मेहनत के लिए आपने हमेशा ही हमें सराहा है, मगर उस मेहनत को रंगलाने की आपकी मेहनत को हमने शायद थोड़ा नजरअंदाज ही किया है। हम ही अक्सर पढ़ना भूल जाते हैं और कमी रह गई पढ़ाने में सोचकर आप हर पाठ को दोबारा सिखाते हैं। हम तो सिलेबस में से भी चैप्टर को ऑप्शन में डालते हैं, पर आपने हमेशा सिलेबस से ज्यादा ही पढ़ाया है। किताबें पढ़ने से लेकर किताबें लिखने तक का सफर हम आपसे ही सीखते हैं। हम हार मान जाते हैं, पर आपको हमारी काबिलियत पर हमेशा विश्वास होता है। सोए हमारे अरमानों को आप ही तो जगाए रखते हैं, हर ख्वाब पूरा करने को हौसला बढ़ाते हैं। शिक्षा के साथ ही सलीके भी सिखाते हैं, हर रोज जीवन को जीने का एक नया तरीका बताते हैं। रास्ते तो कई होते हैं मंजिल को पाने के, उन रास्तों में से सही रास्ते को पहचानना भी आप ही सिखाते हैं। हर रोज कुछ नया पढ़ने की सीख भी हमें आपसे ही मिलती है। रुकना नहीं है कभी, बस आगे बढ़ते जाना है। हार भी जाए कभी तो उस हार से भी कुछ सीख लेनी है। ये जो कुछ हमने सीखा है आपसे ही सीखा है, कहा नहीं है हमने कभी आपसे, पर आज कहना चाहते हैं शुक्रिया उस हर एक सीख के लिए जो हमें सिर्फ कामयाब इंसान ही नहीं बल्कि एक अच्छा इंसान भी बनाती है। Thank you to all teachers and a very happy Teachers Day.
It was really nice poem, Prajakta. Thank you. Now it's time to hear a melodious song by Vaibhav Ahire.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः जीवन है इस जीवन का यही है रंग रूप ये जीवन है इस जीवन का यही है रंग रूप थोड़े गम है थोड़ी खुशियाँ थोड़े गम है थोड़ी खुशियाँ यही है छाप धूप ये जीवन है ये न सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है ये न सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है उसे अपना लो जो भी जीवन की रीत है ये जिद छोड़ो यूं ना तोड़ो हर पल एक दर्पण है ये जीवन है इस जीवन का यही है रंग रूप ये जीवन है
What a stunning performance. What a stunning performance, Vaibhav. Thank you. Now I would like to call upon Prachi to express her feelings about teachers. So over to you, Prachi.
Thank you, Meghna. नमस्कार. मैंने आज सोचा है कि आज ऐसा कुछ बोलेंगे कि लोग याद रखें. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. तो आज मैं यहाँ पे सब कुछ सच सच बोलने वाली हूँ क्योंकि बचपन से लेकर आज तक जो कुछ भी हुआ है बस उसे ही तो बताना है. पर उससे अच्छी बात कि इसमें मैं हूँ वो उसमें सिर्फ मैं नहीं, यहाँ बेटा हर कोई है. अपने टीचर से एक बच्चे की मुलाकात जिस दिन उसके टीचर से होती है वो दिन थोड़ा सा अलग होता है क्योंकि उस दिन उसके माँ बाप वो बच्चे को अपने से दूर भगा रहे होते हैं, एक अनजान व्यक्ति के पास, और सच में उस दिन वो बच्चा अपनी माँ बाप से नफरत कर रहा होता है। तो एक रोते हुए बच्चे को अपनी माँ से दूर हटाने वाली आप थी, और कुछ दिनों में उसकी दूसरी माँ बनने वाली भी आप थी। उसको A फॉर एप्पल और B फॉर बॉल सिखाने वाली भी आप थी, और उसको इतने हक से डांटने वाली भी आप थी कि जिंदगी में तब तक जब तक कोई डर नहीं था कि उसके बाद मैडम की जगह सर आए। मेरा पापा से ज्यादा ख्वाब आपसे था जब मैं पापा से ज्यादा आपसे डरने लगी। मेरे सबसे पहले दुश्मन भी आप थे और मेरे सबसे करीब भी आप थे। मेरे पढ़ने की ख्वाहिश आप थे और मेरे सब कुछ करने का जज्बा आप थे। मेरे घर पर शिकायत लेने वाले भी आप थे और हमारी प्रेरणा बाकी बच्चों को देने वाले भी आप थे। उसके बाद मैं उस दुनिया में आई जहाँ पे मेरा कोई पहचान वाला नहीं था, जो कि केबीटी कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग। उसके बाद यहाँ पे कुछ नए प्रोफेसर मिले, तो कुछ उनके लिए। मेरे 5 मिनट लेट आने पर क्लास से बाहर निकालने वाले आप थे और मुझे वक्त की अहमियत सिखाने वाले भी आप थे। मैंने दूसरों की गलतियां माफ करने आपसे सीखा जब मेरा क्लास में मोबाइल यूज करना आपने नजरअंदाज किया था। मेरी इंजीनियरिंग की रेलगाड़ी को धक्का देने वाले भी आप थे, पिछाई बनाने वाले भी आप थे और केजरीवाल बनाने वाले भी आप थे। मैं आज जो हूँ वो बनाने वाले आप थे। मेरे लिए तो आप भगवान थे। जो मैं आज हूँ वो बनाने वाले आप थे। जो मैं आज हूँ वो बनाने वाले आप थे। तुम हो तो ये अंजुमन है, तुमसे ये अंजुमन है। तुम हो तो ये हमारे अफसाने हैं, हमारी कामयाबी के किस्से हैं। तुम हो तो ये अजीब मुस्कुराहट है, ये एक अजीब दरिया दिली है। तुम जो वक्त से 2 मिनट पहले आते हो, कायदे के किस्से सुनाते हो, वही किन्हीं पुरानी गलतियों पर अमान तिकते चिल्लाते हो। तुम्हें इतनी मोहब्बत कहाँ से लाते हो? तुम्हें इतनी मोहब्बत कहाँ से लाते हो? थैंक यू।
Thank you, Prachi. That brought back so many memories. Get ready to be entertained. It's another great time. We students have been solving MCQs since we got into engineering. Now it's teachers' time to solve some quizzes. So the quiz is pretty simple. You will be given ad jingles and you have to determine from which ad they are. Over to Sandesh.
Thank you, Ashil. In this game, only the title of ad will be given, and we have to guess from which ad it is, or which company is owning that ad. Okay? Be ready, teachers. Please comment your answer in the comment box. Please start. हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है. What do you guess, ma'am? Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, BSNL? Yes, Pawar ma'am has correctly guessed. HOD sir has also correctly guessed it. Yeah, all teachers are guessing it correctly. You're correct. We should go for second. पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. Might be so similar to here. Yes, Zado sir has correctly guessed it. All teachers are guessing it very correctly. Congratulations to all the teachers. क्या आप डैश इस्तेमाल करते हैं? क्या आप दुनिया से डरते हैं? All are guessing. Still answer is not correct. Kakad ma'am has correctly guessed the answer. Congratulations, ma'am. The answer is closer. Thank you, ma'am. Googly woogly whoosh. It's an old dialogue from an ad. Palve sir has correctly guessed it. Congratulations, sir. It is correct. Congratulations to all the teachers. For the next question, दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे. This is also from an old ad. Pawar ma'am, Zado sir, Kakad ma'am, all the staff, all the teachers are correctly guessing it correctly. Congratulations to all. You are correct. जब घर की रौनक बढ़ानी हो, दीवारों को जब सजाना हो. All are guessing. Tambe ma'am has correctly guessed it. It's Nerolac. The dialogue is from the Nerolac ad. Congratulations, ma'am. हिला के रख दे. A bit rare ad, but everyone has observed it. Yes, Pawar ma'am has correctly guessed the option. It is correct, ma'am. Congratulations. It's Center Shock chewing gum. The healthy oil for healthy people. Quite common, but it has only one answer. Still, teachers are guessing it. No. Still, no one has got correct answer. Yes, Pawar ma'am, Tambe ma'am has correctly guessed it. All the teachers are guessing it very correctly. The answer is Sundrop oil. The tagline is of Sundrop oil. सीधी बात, no bakwas. The options are Mountain Dew, Coca-Cola, Sprite, Limca. Again, Pawar ma'am has correctly guessed it. Snehal ma'am has also correctly guessed it. The answer is the Sprite. Congratulations, ma'am. The Taste of India. Yes, Kakad ma'am has correctly guessed it. All the teachers are correctly guessing it. Congratulations to all the teachers. It was quite easy and interactive. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, do you really enjoyed the game? I would like to ask all the teachers, are you really enjoying the game? Thank you to all. I should hand over to Achal. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandesh. It was indeed an entertaining game. Now, I would like to call Sujata Suryavanshi ma'am for ITSA inauguration. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. Good afternoon to one and all. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. Before I start my speech, I would like to thank all my dear students for organizing such wonderful program. On behalf of IT department, I, Ms. Sujata Suryavanshi, staff coordinator of ITSA, welcome you all in the inauguration program of ITSA team for the academic year 2021. At this moment, I would like to share something about ITSA. ITSA is IT Student Association. ITSA team is formed by second year and third year students. One from second year for the post of vice president, and the remaining 3 students are from third year for the post of president, event manager, and treasurer. Under ITSA association, few representatives from you all conducted different activities for the students. With the help of ITSA team, departments organized different technical and non-technical activities for the students throughout the year. These activities are conducted by the students only. Through ITSA, department provides you the platform where you can showcase your talent. Also, you can improve your leadership qualities. So, being ITSA coordinator, I appeal all the students to take active participation. Not only ITSA team members, any student can come forward with different innovative ideas. We will definitely implement it in our department. I would like to share my experience with previous year ITSA team members here. In previous year, ITSA team members have organized different activities like hands-on workshops on IoT, Android, etc. We also organized online workshops on Python for second year, third year, and last year students, which was conducted by FOSSI IIT Bombay. The group discussion and aptitude tests were also conducted for the students to make our students industry ready. With the help of such activities, students prepare themselves for campus drive. ITSA team also conducted different non-technical activities like Rangoli competition during Ganpati festival, paper bag making competition, etc. I would like to mention one thing here. In previous semester, IT department has started one practice, that is student-to-student mentoring system. And this system was also conducted by ITSA team. In this semester also, we are going to execute this system. So, I would like to say thank you to all my last year ITSA team members, Akash, Chinmay, Shweta, Atharva, and Payal, for being with me and for organizing such activities for the department. Now, I request to the host to declare our new ITSA team members for the academic year 2021. First, last year's team members, please share your experience and hand over your responsibility to the newly formed ITSA members. Thank you. Thank you all. Over to you, Meghna.
So the new ITSA members are Meghna Verma as President, Rohan Shelar as Treasurer, Vidhi Bhansali and Shubham Thok as Event Manager. Congratulations to all of you. Akash, can you please share your responsibilities as President? Over to you, Akash.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you can go.
So responsibilities are only about to manage the team, and leader is not one who orders the team to do tasks. Is the one who do the task and tell students to how you can perform the task. So it was an overall nice experience working with the team. I got a very great team, and our coordinator, Ms. Sujata Suresh ma'am, helped us a lot. Thank you, ma'am, for all your guidance and support. That's all, and my best wishes are with the new ITSA team. Thank you.
Thank you, Akash. Sorry, I forgot that our new Vice President is Prathamesh. Congratulations, Prathamesh. Now, Shweta, can you please share your responsibilities?
Yes.
Shweta,
Hello,
over
everybody.
to you.
And happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. So basically, the responsibilities, I don't feel it was like a responsibilities. It is a task to take with us all our student friends with the guidance from our teachers and execute events as much as efficiently as we can. Instead of responsibilities, I would like to share what I learned from this. For all the new elected members, I want to tell you that it's very fortunate of you all to get selected into this committee. This is a chance to learn many things. No, it is apart from all the students, you all are different now. You're going to get to learn how to handle things, how to get your friends into things, how to initialize various activities, how to put out your qualities. And during all this process, you are going to learn to become a better person, a better leader, or even not a leader, a better person. How to you are going to be friends with your guide, who is your teacher, or anybody who is instructing you to execute this event. And it's going to be your team members with whom you are going to learn how to coordinate, and the rest are your friends whose help you all have to take to execute the events. So I would like to tell you, take this opportunity to take out your qualities, to learn things, and you are going to definitely become a better person, a completely different version of yourselves at the end of this year, because you all have learned many more things which other friends who aren't a part of this are not going to learn. And it doesn't matter whether you are able to conduct the event successfully or not. What matters is how much efforts you put and how you take it. It is okay if the event is not okay. It is okay if things don't go the way you want.
But the most important thing is now you have to learn कि you have gone wrong or where you felt you were not as much as you should have been, and keep those things and do it well the next time. These same things, these same experiences are going to be helpful for the entire life, because now you have done something and now you know कि these things are to be taken care of. So in future you all can use these experiences very well. So I wish all my luck to all of my friends, all the very best, and I know you all will do things very well. And a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shweta, for sharing your experience. Now, I would like to call Atharva Lange to share his responsibilities. Experience.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to all the lovely staff members, and congratulations to all the newly elected ITSA members. First of all, I would like to tell the newly elected ITSA members that there are no posts as such as president or treasurer or event manager. Everyone is a president initially, everyone is a treasurer, and all of us need to distribute our responsibilities in such a way that we will be helpful to our department as well as the students. I would like to share my experiences that I got to learn very good managerial skills, how to manage students, how to be good with both students and teachers at the same time. See, you need to catch everyone together at the same time. Like, you cannot be rude to the students, nor can you disagree with teachers, So that's what I learned when I was in this position. So yeah, it was excellent experience. You will also learn good skills. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, I would like to call Chinmay Godke to share his responsibilities.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, and a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. I was the event manager of ITSA, and we all learned many new things while working in ITSA. We had organized expo talks, shop visits, mock GD, and many such things for students, and also there was very good response from the students as well. Here we work in teams, so our skills of working in team are also built. And yes, we, as Atharva and Shweta already said, that we have to manage everything. Like, we have to also manage the students, also the teachers. We have to communicate very nicely with them. So I wish all the best for new teams and team of ITSA, and hope that they will organize many such events for students. And yes, also today's event was awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now, I would like to call Payal Pagaria to share her views.
Hello everyone. I was the vice president last year. I got to represent the second year. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all teachers. And I would like to congratulate every new ITSA members. I got to learn a lot from seniors. They helped me a lot with managing the things, how to manage every event, and I got to learn every new opportunities come in my way. So I would like to congratulate everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Payal.
Thank you, Payal. Now, coming towards the end of our program, I would like to call Sandesh to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thanks,
Sandesh,
Meghna.
are you here? Okay.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. As it is said by our late APJ Abdul Kalam sir, teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillar upon which all aspirations are converted into realities. This world would be much darker and hostile place to live in if there were no teachers. I would like to cite your attention to an example of the wondrous teacher of Helen Keller. After Helen Keller was left deprived of seeing, hearing, and speaking abilities, her world was filled with the darkness and sadness. It was her teacher, Miss Solvin, who filled her world with the light. She taught her how to read, write, and stood with her through all the challenges of her life. Finally, Helen Keller achieved staggering success. This would not have been possible without Miss Solvian. There are many similar inspiring examples that tell us life transformation contribution of teachers. We are so lucky that today we have such wonderful and dedicated teachers in our life as our mentors. So we are thankful to life that has given us such knowledgeable teachers. Dear teachers, we all thank you for being the light for us in our life. On behalf of all students, we express our gratitude towards all the respected teachers and the staff members. And once again, we wish you Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Sandesh. Now, as it's Teachers' Day today, so I would like to invite teachers to interact with us. Teachers, over to you. Anyone?
Yes, good afternoon all. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You can continue.
Good afternoon to all. Respected HOD sir and all my dear colleagues, very first Happy Teachers Day to you all. And dear students, thank you for organizing such a wonderful program for us. It was a very nice experience to attend such a program in our daily busy schedule. I appreciate all of you for organizing this, and thank you so much for refreshing us from our schedules. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now with that, I would like to conclude. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers, and once again, thank you. Thank you so much.